All right, we're long.
Order filled.
All right, so let's put a tentative stop loss right here. Good morning, everybody. New York market open here. We had to give this a little minute to kind of play out, but I think we see what we need to see. Let's get our low. 17,413.50. So let's go 17,413.25. 275 right there. All right, so we'll put a stop right there. Okay, and just open this up a little bit. Okay, so we have our entry, we have our protection. Let me jump over here to my trading view and just figure out where I want to try to get out of this at. All right, so we do have a trend. What I'm seeing is a trend to the upside in the lower time frames as well as the higher time frame. And so that's where my directional bias is, not necessarily on the entire day, but right now. So let's mark this up. Here we go. Habit entry of 17,458.38. So even though we are coming out of a bearish order block right now, I do have rules for when I trade against the when I trade against order blocks, and we do seem to be hitting all of those requirements. And so here we are. All right, and our stop is 17,403.25. Great. And what did I do wrong here? 17,458. It's because it's a weird 3.8. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna try to target a 1 to 3 here. Let's see what we can get, but we have a roadblock here and a bearish order block right here. And the first one is around, my God, this thing is going. So the first bearish order block that we see is 17. We'll go 17,519. Which we're like already almost there. 17,519. That's going to be our first limit. And this thing is looking a little wild. Let's add a stop here early and remove this one here. So that's going to be the first TP, but my premise is actually still the same as what it was yesterday. I believe that we are headed, this is happening so fast. Hold on. Shit, where's the level? Right here. So we're headed, I think, for 17,553.50. 17,553.50 right here. And so this is good. We'll put the rest of the position we'll get out of right there. And additionally, we need to change the stop and have it reflect our current position size. Okay, so that's where we're at with that. And is that the correct high? That is the correct high. Okay, right there. So that candle's exact high that I'm aiming for is going to be 17,552.50. I don't really think the 554 should be a big deal, but I guess we'll just in case, you never know. I'd hate to put it there and then the shit goes crazy. We're just gonna leave that alone. Okay, so let's just give it time to move around and do its thing. So essentially, let's switch over to the 15-minute chart. And if we look over here, you'll see this is the original order block that this whole move right here came from. And we did all this bullshit in between, but my premise is that we are simply moving right back up to that level. So that is what I am personally waiting for and aiming for. Let's see if we can get it. There we go. I don't know. All right, so that's what we're aiming for. Okay, so additionally, we do have, I got rid of one contract there. Okay. Just in case I wanna, all right. So additionally, we do have some old liquidity sitting around. Ooh, we might go for that. We have some old liquidity sitting around 17,766. I wonder if we go for that. This candle's getting ate up quite quickly. Anywho, we're just gonna wait. We're just gonna wait and see what happens. If it does hit the stop, it is what it is. I did add my stop a little bit early, but at least we did hit TP1 and we made some profit there. So I knew that that spot that I took profit at, that's a bearish order block, so it's not really that crazy that it's dropping like this. But my premise is that we should be able to shoot above it, but god damn. This 3-minute candle is wicked. I think it's good. That's good. Wow. Damn, it hit that order block and just dumped. That's disappointing. Okay, well, at least TP1 did get hit. My premise remains the same. So I need to wait for the next opportunity to get an entry in the smaller time frame. And so my goal will be to locate a good safe entry and then try to get back in. Damn, that candle just really, I hate it because I'm almost sure it's just going to shoot right back up and just continue right where it was going. But let's wait this out and let's give this some time to breathe a little bit. So if you are just kind of interested in the background information to the trade, went in that with 3 M&Q contracts per account, max risk $350 per account. that trade right there, that ended up being a 1-to-1 in terms of the distance that it went. Didn't get out with all 3 contracts, so didn't make a 1-to-1 on that. And additionally, we're in the New York session. We're just right after the open at 9:52 New York time. Mark the chart up in the 1-hour time frame, and further analysis done in the 3-minute and 5-minute time frame as well. All right, so we're going to pause here and wait for the next opportunity and then try to hop in for this long.